Right, 1.5. Is a back box delete a good idea or not? Let's find out.
It absolutely rips.
Oh.
Handmade, right here in the UK, in my shop.
Welcome to NAWFABZ. Welcome back everyone. We've not done one of these on the channel yet. This is a 1.5 118D back box delete. Now this is a newer one, can't remember exactly what year, let me have a look. I think it's quite a newish one this. It is no idea, it's got a private reg on. Let's just find out what year that is so we can determine if it's going to have a GPF. Probably is going to have a GPF. 1 second. 2022. So this is most likely going to have a GPF or a gasoline particulate filter. Now the older ones of these, where you did a back box delete on these, they were really loud, like, and not a nice loud either. This one being a GPF model, I'm unsure what this is going to sound like, which is why I'm doing this video for you guys. We're also doing a dual exit conversion. Customer's already stuck his own diffuser on, you'll see there, it's got another cutout now. So it's really a simple job for us, but the aim of this video is to bring you guys in, let you know, is it a good idea, is it a bad idea, does it sound great, does it sound toss? Let's get it up in air, let's have a look at original setup, let's get chopping. Before we do that, let's have a quick before sound check. So at the minute, it sounds very much like a sewing machine. I'll be honest, I'm not expecting this to sound like an M140i. These engines are a very strange sounding engine, they don't sound great. Is it gonna sound great by the end of this video? Probably not, but let's get it up, let's find out. Come on then, come and have a look underneath what we've got. So as we were expecting, ginormous back box, which is worrying because I'm not seeing a great deal else in this system. So plan is today, we're gonna be cutting this here, turn it into a split, dual exit back box delete, that's no problem. If you come further down the line, we're seeing no resonators other than this. Now, I'm not that familiar with these newer BMWs yet, I don't do enough of them. I'm unsure whether that's a particulate filter or not, or whether that's a resonator, I'm not sure. I can see right up there, under all these trays, you'll probably not be able to see, but right up there I can see what looks to be the cat. So, yeah, unsure what this is gonna sound like, folks, unsure. It might sound all right, it might sound absolutely dreadful. I guess there's one way to find out, isn't there? Let's get cracking. So we're gonna make a cut on this exhaust system here. We'll bend straight into a split, and he's picked 4-inch slash cut tips, which will fill this diffuser nicely. I'm unsure where diffuser's from. He's fitted it himself, we've not fitted it. So I'm unsure on that where it's from. But yeah, looks all right, fitment looks good. Pretty good. Right, let's get chopping. Right, so we're actually going to do this in 2-inch bends at the back just because it doesn't really need any bigger. Smaller sometimes sounds better, if not always sounds better on smaller engines, so we're going to use a twin 2-inch split, but that's got to make to a 2.5-inch. You see I've marked the centre line of the bend. There's an offset line where we're going to cut it. You'll see why a little bit later in the video. Let's cut 2 of them. That's the split all welded together. Now, earlier in the video when I cut it offset, obviously that was always going to give me that sort of shape. Oval shape, not a round shape. When I said it'll come to light later in the video, well that part is now. So we want to create a twin 2-inch outlet to a single 2.5-inch inlet. You can probably guess what's coming. We're going to use the expander down here and we're going to try and round that hole off to get us to a nice 2.5-inch fitment. So let's see how it does. We're just going to take it bit by bit so we don't split it. I reckon we'll be able to get a bigger head in there now. Yes, easily. Right, bigger head, this should do it. You gotta be careful not to go too much. I think we'll get that, you know. Tell you what, that's near as damn it perfect. Now you can see the hole is round. Line you up a bit. Now you can see the hole is round, no longer oval, and now matches up to 2.5 inch tube. That's a 2.5 inch inlet, twin 2-inch outlet. Remember, this is only a small engine. We don't need massive bore. Smaller bore will sound better. Trust me. Right, let's keep going. Next. Right, so them two parts are up there. Now it's a game of blankety blank. We need to fill in the gaps from the split to the original exhaust. Shouldn't be too difficult. Right, are we ready for a sound check then? Did we make a massive mistake or does it sound amazing? Let's find out. Well, I say, did we make a massive mistake? Did owner make a massive mistake? He booked it in for a back box delete. Oi. Well, initially, not too bad. Remember, that's cold start as well. Let's move you back a bit. Yeah, remember, that's cold start as well. That's not too bad. Hey, we'll let that have a little warm up, 5 minutes, and then get a couple of revs for you. Right, all nice and warm. Let's have a listen. Does it sound amazing? Not really. I told you it weren't going to. Didn't have a start video before we even started. I told you it weren't going to sound amazing. They're a very lethargically revving engine. They're almost like, roo, roo. Sounds all right. Doesn't sound too bad. To give you an accurate representation of what it sounds like, we're going to chuck GoPro inside. We'll go for a drive up road. Let's go and see what it actually sounds like on road. If it sounds like a wet fart, I'll genuinely tell you. If it sounds all right, you'll hear it for yourself. Let's go. Let's go and have a listen. Yep. Right, we've got sport mode. We'll have it in sport mode. I don't think it'll make a wild difference on this.
Oh, yeah, 180.
118, it's that 1.5 engine, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Not a brilliant engine. not great. Not by my standards anyway. Initially, it actually sounds alright.
Yeah, it does.
It's nice deep burble. It's not too much. This is not going to be too loud at all on road, I tell you now. It's not going to be bad at all. It's fairly subtle when it gets into them higher gears. As I say, if you do own one of these cars and you're looking to do this modification, don't expect it to come out sounding like a 135. It's not gonna. They're not a great sounding engine, but yeah, it sounds all right for a. I wouldn't call it a dirt cheap mod, but yeah, it's cheap and cheerful-ish, innit? Just back box conversion, make it look nice at least. And I know you're gonna get everyone in comments saying, "Oh, it's a small engine. Why would you want to make it look like a 135?" Blah blah blah. And we get it all the time. Listen, it's not my car. I could care less. It's the owner's choice. They want it to look like that, not me. So don't shoot the messenger. No paddles. Auto box, but no paddles. Feel lost.
How'd you do manual mode? Yeah.
Manual, you have to flick it to left and then
up
and down like that, yeah. Initially, it's not bad at all. I thought it was going to sound like a trumpet, like a wet trumpet, but it doesn't actually sound that bad.
Still sounds pretty loud though, doesn't it? So it's got GPF in it.
It's loudish, isn't it?
Considering we did that 135 back box delete, that didn't sound as loud as this.
Probably not. Oof. Brakes keen. Yeah, we've got a manic day on today. We've been doing all sorts. This included, we've got a 540i in at minute. Customer supplied his own exhaust. We're going to do a video on it, but to be honest, I'm glad I didn't, because it's just absolutely garbage. It does not fit in any way. Where's this guy going? It does not fit in any way, shape or form. It's not even in right postcode. Now, what we're going to do on that, I'm this close to ringing him and saying, "Look mate, it's miles off." This is what happens when you buy cheap crap. We'll see how that goes. Right, ready? Absolutely zero drone, or you can't even tell it's got an exhaust on it. Quiet as a mouse. Can't even tell how we're done with exhaust. But as I say, doesn't sound that great. Sounds alright. That's about best opinion I can give you. It sounds alright. So yeah, I think I'm gonna get you a quick flyby and yeah.